On June 12, 2025, law enforcement officers responded to a report involving a woman identified as Deborah, who was observed trespassing at a bus stop while in possession of an open container of alcohol.
Hey, my car's just around, literally around the corner. I'm just gonna grab it real quick. All right. What's she going for?
I can board the plane. I don't hang out here.
That's awesome. What's she under arrest for? Trespassing. 38 and open container. Tragic. Right around the corner. I'm gonna grab it. All right, we'll be here.
Can you stand up?
They arrested me for something I didn't do.
Okay, well, we can talk about that in a minute, but I need you to stand up. There you go. All right, do you have anything on you?
No.
No, no drugs, nothing's gonna stick me, poke me, stab me?
No.
All right, I'm just gonna pat you down, okay? You wearing a bra?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Just don't take. What are you gonna take me in for?
Are you Deborah?
Yeah, why?
It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a few years.
Buddy. Buddy, help me. And my friend. Yeah. They're targeting me and I don't know why. Buddy! What?
Is there anything in your shoes?
No.
All right, you want to sit back down?
Or you could stand. You're gonna have to get up in a minute again, so up to you.
For what? I didn't do anything wrong.
Sounds like you're being placed under arrest for open container and trespassing.
I don't have an open container.
There's two right there.
Right behind you.
The bud and the skull.
But no, the skull is mine. No, not the Budweiser.
Okay.
Just the skull?
Just the skull.
Okay.
All right.
That's an open container.
All right, listen, buddy. 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 Why are you doing this? I was just. Let me go. Turn these cups off.
Can't do that.
Why?
Yep, we're gonna take all your stuff with you.
Buddy! Buddy, help me!
Debbie, try to remain calm, okay?
You!
All right.
You!
All right. There's the old Debbie I know.
You met him before?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, we go back.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Okay.
I want my
It's all coming with us.
Let me see it.
You can see it. It's right there.
I can't. I'm tough.
Just look down.
You look with your eyes.
Buddy! Buddy!
Hey, do you have a paper bag?
Buddy!
Buddy's not gonna be able to help you. Let's stop even just looking that way.
Buddy!
Buddy can hear you, but he's not listening because he doesn't want to be a part of this.
Buddy! Buddy!
No, negative.
Let me go smoke a cigarette, please. I need one. Buddy! 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 You know what? I took it. Get off me.
Hey, stop. It's about to get way worse. stop.
Why? Can you stop? You went in to be a police officer because kids picked on you.
739.
Go around. Up in the truck. Give us a hey. You have a hood? You don't?
Do you have one in your car?
Get this on me, please.
No.
Why? Get this on me, please. Off me. Get this off me.
No, ma'am. It's not happening now.
Can this stretch anymore?
That's all we got.
Please take this off me.
No, you shouldn't have just
You're under arrest.
For what?
spit at him.
You spit on me. In my face, actually. Thank you for that. I hope you don't have hepatitis.
I know.
Deborah spat in an officer's face. Officers noted a moderate odor of alcoholic beverage on her breath. Based on the circumstances, there is probable cause to charge Deborah with trespassing and possession of an open container. Additionally, while in custody, she committed battery against a law enforcement officer.
We don't need you. If you want to start rolling. All right.